Today my Bobcat S130 will get some clean air. This is where the air filter is located. And here we should have the wing nut. I don't have a wing nut. Come on, baby. Whoa, whoa. I'm wondering what will I see here, because I just bought the machine and it's been very neglected. Oh my goodness. This machine just stood in the water up till here, I think. Whoa. The thread is all rusty. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. Just look at this. Huh. Oh. I can't believe this. No. No. Whoa. Whoa. No. This goes straight to the recycle bin. Rubbish. Oh, let's dig deeper. That was the outer filter. And every third time we are replacing the outer filter, we should also do it with the inner filter. That's the manual. Of course, you will be just always checking how does the filter look like. Huh. This is stinky and it has been wet. Just look at this. I'm gonna go deep now with my cloth and clean the connection between this seal of the inner and also the outer filter and this whole thing, because it should be clean. No particles should be able to go through, in between. I can't believe that somebody is neglecting such an expensive piece of machinery, which is actually the working machinery. That's the breadwinner, right? Okay. The old one, the new one. That's where the inner one goes. I'm gonna put a little bit of grease on this seal, which the manual doesn't mention. Okay. Tired and rusty thread. On the filter I removed, there was such a seal and such a spacer, but such a profile combo came with the new one. But I don't think this system will be perfectly airtight. Tell me, is my thinking correct? That's perfect for me. And the thread doesn't hold well, so I need to keep it really light, not too tight. There is a plastic thread on this wing nut. Okie dokie. I needed to apply quite a lot of force in order to put this one to the very end, to the edge, so that it really is now in place. Time for the filter. Ta-da! The wing nut, the spacer, the seal. And I'm gonna do it really light, not really tight. Good that I put the grease on, because the thread on the plastic wing nut is damaged now after unthreading it through the rusty steel thread. I need to replace these. Now I'm gonna do it better. It won't go. I must do it like this, just temporarily. Okay, this cover pushes the outer filter a little bit too, so it helps. Cool! Did it. Another thing has been fixed. Yeah. I want to hear this sound now. I love this game.